Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to delete tags in Insightly. Okay, so first up, all you have to do is to navigate to the record. For example, opportunities right here, organizations, leads, or contacts. All right, just locate the particular information or record where you wanted to delete a tag. Okay, for example, Mr. Carl Smith right here caught multiple tags, as you can see. Let's say, for example, I'm just going to delete tagging, new tag in 2025. So what do we do? So basically, just click on the three dots right here besides the name or the record. Now go ahead and click on edit this contact. Okay, click on it. Now go ahead and scroll down until you find the section tagging information. Right here, to be able to delete a tag, as you can see here, we have the X button besides a tag. Just click on it to delete it. Click on X, and once you're done with it, hit on save right here at the bottom right. Click on save, and as you can see here, it's all gone. This one as well, I'm going to click on three dots, edit this contact, scroll down, click on X, hit on save, and once done, you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.